Wanting to create something and not knowing what, that's not the problem. The problem is wanting to create something but doing nothing about it. I believe our minds are always trying to expand, push past their limits, to become more than we ever imagined. It's how we adapt. It's how we reach our fullest potential, whether we choose to help or not. But here's the thing. If we don't act as a tool for our minds and our spirits to grow, if we give in to laziness, we lose every single time. Today, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what to make. I thought about a dozen ideas, I flipped through hundreds of books, and eventually I landed on some random page. And in that moment, I kind of just decided that that's it. That's what I'm gonna draw. It's kind of random, but that's what I'm gonna draw. No overthinking, no second guessing, just straight up shooting from the hip. And the second I knew, I jumped right in. So now let's see what happens. Here you guys go. The sketch is looking really, really good. It was kind of fun coming into this because I was looking at the picture, and as soon as I got to the face, I'm like, you know what? I want to make a different face. I want to do something different. And then I started changing everything about the picture, the angles that I approached things at, everything about it. I left things kind of semi-boxy and cartoony, and I don't know why. This kind of reminds me of, as much as I hate this game, sorry guys, Fortnite. Kind of reminds me of the Fortnite graphics. Or recently, I'm not like a big gamer, but I got accepted into like the Skate 4 play tests or whatever. And it just reminds me of this exactly. So funny, so crazy actually. But here I am just kind of working on creating the angles and the outlines to the shadows. I'm basically outlining everything I sketched out to the T to keep it looking kind of fun and to the theme of a journal, basically, right? You don't want anything too crazy, right? But these simple drawings are really what catch the eye. And actually, funny enough, it ended up becoming one of my favorite drawings that I did, or sketches in this book. So check that out. Look at that. So you can see I'm working on this. Again, you can kind of see those angles I'm bringing out. I'm not worried about getting it 100% perfect. I'm just keeping things really rigid and fun and relaxed. And in turn, I feel like coming out of this drawing, I felt so relaxed and so inspired. You know, I've been doing a lot of really cool art this week, but after this one in particular, I was like, dang, this just feels so good, doesn't it? And I think that's really the point, right? Is if we want to increase our capacities to create and to do fun things, we really got to loosen up, relax, think less, worry less, and do more. And that's where the magic really does come through. I really do see that, especially as an art teacher of almost 300 students this past summer, right? We've seen a lot of that, you know, just helping the students. Like 99% of the work is getting the students to loosen up and just get to work. So there we go. I'm throwing rodeo, a little street name. If I was a graffiti artist, you know, that's what it would be. Love it. Hey everybody, my name is Gabe the Painter. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. The support for this channel means everything to me, so please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have done a lot for me, but I'm not going to take any more of your time. I'm going to be posting videos like this every single day in the month of August, except for Sundays. So don't even click on a Sunday. Don't even look, unless you're missing me. But that's all I got for you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow or Monday. I can't remember.